Congratulations to Dr. Obinna Enumah, one of 5 surgical residents chosen to help lead trauma and acute care surgery at Johns Hopkins Hospital, one of the most respected medical institutions in the world. This is not an ordinary achievement, it is a big honor. To be selected in a place known globally for excellence in medicine means you have proven yourself to be skilled, hardworking, and outstanding. Dr. Obinna's success did not happen by chance. It is the result of years of discipline, training, sacrifice, and strong family values. He grew up in a home where service and excellence were already a way of life. His mother is a doctor in family medicine, and his father is a general surgeon. From childhood, he saw what dedication to patients and commitment to saving lives truly means. There is an Igbo saying, "Nne ewu na-ata agbala, nwa ya na-ele anya." When a mother goat eats grass, the kid watches and learns. Whatever a lion gives birth to must roar. Excellence produces excellence. Dr. Obinna's story shows the greatness of the Igbo spirit. Igbos believe strongly in education, hard work, and passing knowledge from one generation to the next. We believe that when one person rises, the family rises. When the family rises, the community rises. Across the world, Igbo men and women continue to shine in medicine, technology, business, academics, and leadership. They rise not because things are easy, but because they are trained to work hard, stay focused, and aim high. From humble beginnings, many Igbo families build strong legacies through unity, discipline, and investment in their children. Dr. Obinna's excellence is another clear example of Igbo excellence on the global stage. It reminds us that greatness is not accidental. It is built at home. It is nurtured by parents. It is strengthened by culture. And it is sustained by hard work. We celebrate Dr. Obinna Enumah not only for his personal success, but also for representing the strength, resilience, and brilliance of the Igbo people. Congratulations once again. The world is watching, and Igbo excellence continues to shine. Register your children in our Igbo Academy and see great improvement. If you also want to learn content, DM me. And we have power banks for sale. If you want it, also DM me. 20K, 30K, and 50K mAh. I'm just a DM away.